Welcome to Module 3 FPX Strength Training. The previous module, this module, and the next module, which is the program design, will be the most fundamental content you will come across when it comes to strength training. I will literally break everything down for you into small pieces, into fundamental pieces. We will try and analyze and understand those pieces, and then in the next module, that is the program design, we will put everything together like a jigsaw puzzle. So the most common questions that we will be answering in this module and in the next module are: how much weight you should lift and use for each exercise, the number of reps you should do for each exercise, how many sets should you perform for every muscle group, which are the best and the most effective exercises for each muscle group, which are the best weekly training schedule, should you train each muscle group once, twice, or even thrice per week, how much rest should you take between each sets for each exercise, which one is good, full body routines or split routines, and how many times should you train with weights every week, and lastly, what is the optimal volume which is the sets into reps for each muscle group per week. You may need to watch this module and the next module few times to really grasp the concept of what I'm discussing over here, and once you do, then my friend, you will become a rockstar trainer. Very few trainers will ever come close to you when it will come to strength training and program design. That is my promise to you. You will be able to design program designs for your clients who are beginners, intermediates, advanced, and according to their goals and abilities. So enough talk, now let's get down to action. In the next module, we shall discuss the most important concept, the starting point of all, that is intensity. See you in lecture 2.